Hi, we're Amy and Pete, and in just about 2 minutes we're going to count down the top 3 things to do in Año Nuevo State Park, including one of the more incredible wildlife experiences in California. At number 3 is hiking the Atkinson Bluff Trail. This trail travels through dunes and gets to secluded beaches in the northern side of the park. You'll explore along the water, comb through tide pools, and even see wildflowers in season. At number 2 is spending time on one of the 2 beaches. Access the northern beach using the Franklin Point Trail, or get to the mile-long Cove beach near the main entrance using the Cove Trail. The Cove Trail in particular is great for surfing, relaxing, or even seeing if you can spot a migrating gray whale. And at number 1 is viewing the elephant seal colony. This is what Año Nuevo is famous for. You can reach the main beach overlook by hiking the 3-mile round trip to Año Nuevo Point, or take a shorter, accessible trail if needed. Elephant seals come here to mate and give birth, and while they're present year-round, permits and guided tours are required from mid-December through the end of March to protect the mothers and pups. Outside of that window, you can hike to the overlook on your own. This area is also excellent for spotting migratory birds, and from the trail, you'll get great views of Año Nuevo Island and even the abandoned lighthouse. If you have any questions about the park, drop them in the comments. Amy and I reply quickly. We're creating guides for every park in the US, so if you think we're on the right track, please give us a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. You'll also find links and coupons below for our park guides, custom park posters, and national and state park stickers. Thanks for watching.